The next thing we're going to do is really easy. We're just going to create a variable that will allow us to push the value in that variable into a table. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. So the process that's happening in this application is we're writing into this field right here, which stores the text in this field into a variable. And then when we push this button, it takes whatever value is in that variable and stores it in the table. So let's create a variable really quickly. So I'm going to go over to the app pane right now, click on the variables symbol over here in the variables field, and then add a new variable. I'll call this entered text. All right. So if this were another data type, right now I need to select the proper data type, and I would use this drop-down menu to do so. You'll be able to find all of your common data types like booleans and numbers and integers and interval for time, some tool-specific ones like user station, machine, and then the equivalents for arrays down here. But I'm just going to stick with text for right now. When I click add, you'll see down here in this table, this new variable created as an entry. All of the variables that are associated with this application will appear down here, and I can see the data type, the name of the variable, where it's used, and the default value. So for right now, all I need to do is just create it. So next thing, I'm going to go over here to this input field, and it's already selected, so I can just navigate back to the widget pane and select the variable I'd like to update when I enter text into that field. So I'm going to select the entered text, which I've just created, and that's it. All you need to do is highlight the input field, create a variable, and put entered text. You can even do it right here by naming a new variable, call it just test variable, and you can go through the exact same process I just went through right here by clicking test variable. But for right now, I just wanted to show you that you can access your variables over here, the apps pane, and then configure them over in the widget pane once you've selected it.